Our framing crew has put it in order for two 6x6x16s and a little scrap piece, and luckily we got a bunch of them in here. I think he wants to give one of these to Scott in his basement. I know, we still have a ton left. Alright, grab a strap. Just a regular ratchet strap. Right on that one.
He's going backwards.
Oh, yeah, it's not a 84 Frederick Street, this is the entranceway. First thing we're going to do is we're going to re-sheetrock all this. It's going to get all sheetrock. Everything's going to be stripped down for the walls with sheetrock. Come in here. No major work is needed out here. It's all going to be sheetrock. This is like a breezeway dining room area. You go into the kitchen where a lot of work is going to be done. This ceiling up here sags about 6 inches, so we're going to put a 4x6 in the wall and a 6x6 on this wall and put a carrier beam across to hold the support of the floor and anything that goes upstairs. Then it'll get sheetrock and become a kitchen. A little patchwork out here, but other than that, this is going to stay like this, get painted. This is the heated office, and all we did up here was sister the floor joists for upstairs. We rebuilt this wall, structurally supported this wall, and we'll do electrical all throughout here and sheetrock. And now we'll go upstairs where a lot of work is done. Now, this is the second story. All the bedrooms have been pretty much reframed wall-wise. The whole half of the house has new ceiling joists for the sheetrock to be put on because they were rotted out. I'm currently doing them in that room right there, new ones. This room will stay how it is. We'll put purlings on the ceiling and run sheetrock on the purlings. We're gonna put a new wall in here, redo the floor in the bathroom, frame a wall up around the chimney, and support the corner more. Finish the bathroom, make it a bathroom again. In this room, I'm going to put a 4x6 in the wall, refix that wall so I can put a 4x6 in there, and add a carrier beam on the ceiling. sagging pretty bad right here. A little bit down here was caved in, and I just got done tearing it all off. I gotta go 2 more rows back, and I'm basically just gonna put
We're attempting to tarp our boat instead of bringing it to a marina to get shrink wrapped. We didn't even take this out this year. We literally bought it and put it in the driveway. We also got the boat all tarped. We had to go underneath it with the bungees and lay on the ground. Wasn't fun, but we finished it. It's that time of year, we're getting everything ready for winter. So we moved all of our cabinetry over here. We buy a bunch of stuff at auction and then we use it in all of our houses. That's a bunch of hardwood flooring. We just moved all of that. We have a lot of extra lumber. Ron's bringing that shower in here. You're wearing proper foot attire.
I was just about to say that.
Out here trying to work in his slippers. Goes the sawmill. Okay, well, Ron brings the sawmill over to the shop. Catherine's gonna grab the mower and put it in the garage so we can winterize and clean it all up for the season.